Hi, welcome to my channel, Crafted by Christine. Today we're going to be doing a DIY flocked Christmas tree. It turned out to be so beautiful. Here's the materials I used. I bought my tree from Walmart and some SnoFlock from Amazon. My total cost was $50.51, which is awesome because these trees usually go for $150 plus. Look over here, we have $200 trees, $300 trees. So this definitely saved me some money. Plus, you know me, I have to DIY everything. So I was super excited because I have never done this before. I'm surprised of how easy it was to put this tree together. Little Bluey, he loves his mommy, so he needed to come and sit on my lap. I wanted to test out the lights to see if they worked before starting my project, and oh my goodness, they look so pretty. Actually, I love the tree even without the flock, but I know with the flock is gonna take it up a notch, so I'm super excited. Oh, look, I found a little sleepy baby. Oh. Okay, here we go. So you spray the branch first, and then you're gonna spray as the flock is falling down, and then after it's on the tree. So you wanna just spray, spray, spray continuously because that's the only way the flock will activate the adhesive with water. So spray the branch, spray as it's falling down, and spray a little bit after. You might need an extra helping hand, but if you want to do it by yourself, make sure to fill up the Swifter before going to the Christmas tree. That way you have the bottle in one and the flock in the other. Another good tip, if you're the type of person that does not like to clean, then I suggest that you put something underneath your tree before you start flocking away, because it's gonna get messy, but it's actually not that difficult to clean out. All you need is a bowl of warm water and a sponge, and you just scrub away. And then after that, if there's any flock left, you can just vacuum it right off and then mop. I mean, I don't mind cleaning, so it was fine for me. Once you're done, the tree has to dry for 24 to 48 hours. 3, 2, 1. I love it. It is gorgeous. I can't even believe I made this myself. Like, it is so beautiful. And as easy as that, you have a beautiful flocked Christmas tree that only costs you a fraction of the cost. And it was a lot of fun making. I had so much fun, and I'm definitely gonna be flocking a lot more things myself. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It means so much to me. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you never miss a video. Thank you.